Bitcoin continues to grow. Since the beginning of the year, when we bought the Bitcoin, we are up over 150%. If we look at the technical analysis, we have important levels that I talked about in previous videos, which is this orange line at around 30k, which Bitcoin broke in October. Then we have a couple of weeks of consecutive gains in Bitcoin, and there was a possible pullback given that Bitcoin is hitting the next strong resistance level at around $40,000. However, that didn't happen. Bitcoin easily broke this level and continued to grow. In my opinion, we can have a little more growth and after that a pullback either to $40,000 level, or if it breaks down that level, Bitcoin could also go back to the $30,000 level. Given the Bitcoin ETF news and other bullish crypto news, the second option is less likely. Many large investors and institutions consider the beginning of the bull market only after breaking through this level of $40,000 to $42,000. And because of this, a mass purchase of Bitcoin can begin, which will also pull other cryptocurrencies into growth. I understand that many people who are just starting with cryptocurrencies have a limited budget and don't want to buy Bitcoin that is already at almost $50,000 and make up to 4 times on their investment. But they do want a little more risk and also more potential for this bull market. If someone asks me what would I do if I only had $500 on the side that I plan for some investment in cryptocurrencies, I would buy 4 new tokens at this moment, which have been on exchanges since 2023. They have a very big potential as new projects. I haven't bought them before and I would keep them for at least 1 or 2 years with the anticipation of getting back up to 10x on my investment. I will buy these tokens on BingX exchange that doesn't require KYC and which in collaboration with us prepared nice bonuses for our followers. So watch this video until the end and find out which tokens I am talking about. The first token I'll buy is Aptos. Long story short, the Aptos blockchain, popularly called the Solana killer by crypto degens, has spun off the Meta, formerly Facebook, and made headlines for its near fastest inter-blockchain transactions. The Aptos blockchain is a layer 1 non-EVM network that provides high scalability built on the Move programming language, originally developed for the Meta Diem program. Currently, about 174 developers are actively working on this project. This is a project that can be talked about for hours, from what has been done in the past to the team, partnerships and plans for the future. But you can find it all on the website aptoslabs.com. The current price of APT token is around $7.5. The second token I'm buying is Sui. Sui is also known as the Solana killer, and Sui was made to fix all the flaws that Solana currently has. What makes Sui unique is its consensus mechanism. Only simple transactions are proceed by consensus, and new technologies enable proper ordering of complex pending transactions. Sui is also super fast, with 300,000 transactions per second that have been tested. Like all crypto projects, Sui has a lot of challenges as well as good and bad sides, but this could be one of the best tokens during the next bull market. You can find more about the project on the website sui.io. Currently, 146 developers are working on this project. The current price of one token is around $0.62. The third token I'm buying is Celestia project and the Tia token. Celestia is a modular blockchain network that provides programs with the infrastructure to build and maintain blockchains. Specifically, Celestia allows other blockchains to use it as a data availability and consensus layer. You can find more information on the website celestia.org. Around 80 developers are currently working on this project, and the current price of Tia token is around $9.8. The fourth token I'll buy today is Kaspa. Kaspa has the fastest and the most reliable instant transactions confirmation layer ever built on the proof of work consensus. Kaspa is based on the Ghost Dog Phantom protocol, a scalable generalization of the Nakamoto consensus, Bitcoin's consensus. Traditional cryptocurrencies suffer from a trade-off between security, scalability, and decentralization. Kaspa solves this problem with a Ghost Dog proof-of-work consensus protocol that generalizes Nakamoto's chain. More information about Kaspa can be found on the website kaspa.org. The current price of Kaspa token is around $0.13. As I mentioned before, I've just bought these tokens on BingX exchange, each of them for $125. Please note that I'm not a financial advisor, and as always, I only talk about tokens and projects that I invest in. Some of these tokens may be overvalued at the moment, they may be able to be bought at a lower price, but I think they should hold up in the long run and generate a good return on investment.
I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me, and what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning